Have you ever wondered how that trusty oscillating fan sitting in the corner of your room keeps you cool on those hot summer days? In this video, we will unravel the mystery behind the inner workings of oscillating fans. From the simple mechanisms to the physics principles at play, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of oscillation and airflow. First, let's have a quick tour of the basic features of this fan. At the bottom there are 4 buttons, each having different controls: a dial to control the pitch of the fan, and a pin on the top to make the fan oscillate. Your fan might be a little different, but the mechanism we will learn will be pretty similar unless it is a completely different type of fan like a box fan or a bladeless fan. Now let's hop into the working of the fan. Among the 4 buttons, 3 control the speed, and the white one turns the fan on and off. When the white button is pressed, it sends the signal to the motor and the fan starts spinning at whatever speed we choose. At first, the fan will only point in one direction, but when we press the pin on the back, then the fan starts moving back and forth. However, we can make this possible by adding another motor that will increase the cost of the fan and will require more power. So now we have to make a fan oscillating and spinning with a single motor. We can do this by using various combinations of gear. Before discussing the gear system, we have to understand a mechanism called the 4-bar mechanism. In this mechanism, 4 bars are connected using pins. One of the bars is fixed in place, like in this video, the blue-colored one. This green one is called a crank. Usually, a motor causes it to spin and the other 2 bars follow the motion of the crank, which is known as a follower. Now watch the trajectory of the bars. It's the same as we want in our fan. The 4 bars on the fan are right under the motor. The fixed blue bar is here, the long bar is here, the moving bar is here, and at last, the motor acts as the 4th bar. But here is the question: how do you convert the rotational motion of the fan into oscillating motion? This conversion of motion happens inside the gearbox. There is a piece that sticks out the fan which spins with the motors called worm. When it spins, this piece looks like it is moving even though it's not. A gear named worm gear is connected to the worm. Below the worm is another gear which is directly connected to the crank bar, and at last, there is the pin which connects all the gears. As you can see, the pin also has gear teeth in it. In the middle of the pin, there is a spring holding 2 ball bearings that comes just far enough to catch the worm gear and rotate with it. Now let's see the working of the gear system. The fan is on, which spins the gear and the worm gear. This spins the pin and the pin spins the gear below the worm, which activates the 4-bar mechanism and the fan starts to oscillate. But this only works when the pin is down. When the pin is up, it doesn't rotate along with the worm gear, so nothing below will rotate and the fan will immediately stop oscillating. Due to the perfect gear ratio on the system, the speed of the crank is much slower than the fan. And there you have it. The secrets behind the soothing breeze of your oscillating fan are revealed. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how these ingenious devices work. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next exploration into the wonders of the world around us.